If you want to record phone calls on the Samsung Galaxy A27, the first thing that you can do is you can check out if you have a built-in option that allows you to record phone calls. The easiest way to check that is by simply starting the phone call, and then over here in the call menu you should be able to try to find the phone call recording button. Sometimes it is available over here just in a plain sight over here in the call menu. Sometimes you have to tap on more in order to find that button. Unfortunately, in my case, it is not available. So I don't have a built-in access to the phone call recorder. So what I can do now is I can just simply get a third-party app that allows me to record phone calls. So for example, we can go to the Play Store. Then over here we can use the search option at the bottom and then the search field at the top. And you can just type call recorder or call recording app, something like that. You should be able to find many different example apps that of course you can use. And you can just choose whichever you would like to try. I'm not really trying to recommend any of them, really. It's up to you which one you decide to use. And of course, if you don't like one of them, then you can just uninstall and try to use another one. Now, in my case, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use this app over here, so feel free to try it out as well. If not, just try anything else, as I said. So first, I'm going to install this app, and I'm going to show you how to set it up, and then I'm going to quickly explain how it works. So once the app is installed, we want to open it, of course, then tap on the next over here, and then we want to grant all of these necessary permissions. So let's quickly do so. There we go. Now over here we have the option to disable Wi-Fi calling so that Wi-Fi calling does not interfere with call recording. So we can tap on OK, got it. We will be redirected to call settings. In here we should be able to find Wi-Fi calling, and we can see if it's disabled. Now over here we have the option to disable power optimization. So I'm gonna tap on OK, and then once again. Then we have the option to disable or enable call location tagging. In my case, I'm going to tap on no thanks, I don't really need it. Then we have the premium offer, which we can just simply close here in the upper left corner. And then we have the option to install a helper, which is additional app that helps the main app run properly. In my case, I'm going to install it. So if you tap on install helper, most likely you will be redirected to a website where you should be able to get the helper. In case the button doesn't work, you can use the Galaxy Store and you can download the helper from the Galaxy Store over here. So of course we want to install it. Alright, once the app is installed, we want to open it and we will have to set it up as well. So just tap on the next over here, grant all of these permissions again. There we go. Now over here we need to enable app connector, so tap on this button. Then go to installed apps, choose Cube ACR app connector and turn it on over here and tap on allow. Then we're gonna turn off power optimization, so press OK, and then one more time. And there we go, the helper is now installed and set up, so we're gonna now open the main app, the Cube ACR. And technically now we can use this app to record phone calls, but before that I can also recommend you checking out these three lines here in the upper left corner, because you can check if recording is enabled, and you can also check out, for example, recording settings or maybe some other stuff in here, which you might want to check out just to make sure that the app works exactly as you want it to work. But by default, the app records calls automatically. Whenever the call starts, the app starts recording as well. So let me just quickly call myself and I'm going to show you how it looks like. So there we go, let's answer. And then if you go to notifications, then most likely you will immediately find notifications from the Cube ACR and the helper that they are active and recording. Now, one thing that you need to keep in mind is that, unfortunately, most of the time, these apps don't have access, direct access to the earpiece or the ear speaker that we have at the top, which we usually use to talk during a call. So in that case, in order to work around this, we can use the loudspeaker. And the reason why you might want to do this is simply because without it, it might be very difficult to hear the caller on the recording. You might not be able to hear them, or the quality is going to be very bad. So unfortunately, this is of course a downside of using third-party apps, but this is what we can do to, of course, try to make it work somehow. And there we go. So if you end the call, you should be able to find your recorded call, the audio, by just going to the Cube ACR app over here. There we go. You should be able to play the recording if you want to. You can tap on these three dots to find some additional options. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.